Hello everybody, I'm Radhika and welcome to Flipkart. Today we're going to explore IFB's Senorita Smart Washing Machine. IFB believes in keeping pace with current times and recognizes that our smartphones today have become an integral part of our lives. It also salutes women who are blazing a trail in the corporate world while still efficiently running their homes. To make their lives a little easier, IFB has introduced the Smartphone Control, India's first smartphone-controlled washing machine that features a smart app. The machine can be operated through the app via Bluetooth technology. The app is available on Android and iOS platforms and is available in 7 different languages. Recognizing that not all our clothes are soiled equally, IFB has introduced the Time Saver feature. This handy option reduces the duration of the wash cycle and saves power and time when dealing with lightly soiled clothes. Now the next feature, Cradle Wash, really cares for your delicate clothes. You can now give your silks, laces, satins, chiffons and delicates the gentle care they deserve. And it's best suited for woolens, silks and soft baby wear. The Air Bubble Wash uses millions of air bubbles that go deep into the fabric to tickle and tease the stubborn dirt out. A real treat for your clothes, I must tell you. Moving on, Aqua Energy is a wash mode where water is energized by a built-in device. Hard water is softened, which in turn helps the detergent dissolve better to give the clothes a softer wash. This wash mode can be most effectively used in households where the available water is actually hard. Now we all know children are inquisitive and curious by nature, and so this machine comes with a child lock. It freezes the machine's settings to prevent children from resetting or changing wash modes. To meet the dual objective of achieving the best wash and also economically, the ball valve technology uses a float ball valve that drains the water out while keeping the detergent in. This technology prevents wastage and enhances your wash. To ensure that your favorite piece of clothing is protected from accidental damage, this machine features an innovative crescent moon drum. The smooth crescent moon grooves on the drum surface create a gentle water cushion that prevents any fabric damage. And now, coming to the 3D wash system. This is a dynamic water system that soaks your clothes thoroughly to deliver an excellent and spotless wash. To ensure that voltage fluctuation does not damage your machine, this machine comes equipped with a high-low voltage protection system, wherein the voltage fluctuations are continuously monitored, and if the voltage goes above or below the prefix safe levels, the program is paused and resumed only when the levels stabilize. This feature protects you from inconsistent power supply. If you're sometimes absent-minded like me and keep finding laundry that needs to be washed, the Laundry Add feature lets you put in missed laundry even after the wash cycle has begun. Moving on, to ensure you an even wash, the Auto Balance system automatically detects unbalanced clothes and redistributes them to maintain a consistent and stable wash. This machine takes into consideration the sometimes erratic power supply and hence comes with the time delay mode. This mode lets you delay the start of the wash cycle as per your convenience. The feature allows you to start the wash cycle from anywhere between 30 minutes to 24 hours. This feature is a boon for homes with interrupted water and power supply. And if this isn't enough, the IFB Senorita Smart comes with a super warranty. While the machines are built to last, IFB also offers you a 4-year comprehensive warranty and spare parts support for up to 10 years. So Senoritas, take the IFB Senorita Smart home and let it simplify your life. Are you still thinking? Come join the Flipkart family. Sit back and relax. We offer quick doorstep delivery, a hassle-free installation, a detailed demo for all our products, and an assured brand warranty. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.